see this? I'm gonna get people. To be totally social. You know what you need? Homework! Hold on. Before you can do it, you're so tiny. You drunk. Beard cam. Beard cam. Beard cam. Beard cam. Oh God. Hey George. What's up? Hold on. Got my balls on your face yet? What are we playing? What are we playing? I asked you to play while you're playing Apple Class. You got squirted! It's a game show. That's messed up. Yep. Who would do that? Rudy. Oh, Rudy. I'm gonna win. I got a blackjack. Sure you do. Let's see how far you win. I got a blackjack. Watch. None. I'm the only one at this table who has nothing. I sense it's conspiracy. It's a conspiracy. He doesn't know a thing. It looks like a box. You got squirted! Rudy got it twice in the face today. This is a game show. One in the game and one for real. Every time you squirt, you got say you got squirted. That sounds dirty. It's a game show. That's dirty. We're a game show.
I feel like you need to have like.
Welcome to the game show.
I feel like my wrist is about to die.
Where you going, Kurt?
I've just been reading them.
Are you taking Kurt off?
No,
Yeah.
What?
I was gonna swear.
Next victim.
No, I can't get them. They got paper.
Oh.
That would ruin their entire evening.
Yeah. No. Back.
Whoa, we can't get the cameraman.
Rules, never get the cameraman involved.
That's ridiculous.
Don't you watch fights?
Look, go.
Never get the cameraman involved. You're not holding paper.
I don't care.